Hello and welcome to Mighty Ox Trading. Today we got some news coming out from TopStep, the OG in the prop firm industry. TopStep, those of you unaware, are the very first funding firm. They've been around for over 10 years, truly the OG, and they know their place in the industry, so they very rarely do sales. But they have one for the Super Bowl weekend. Today, Friday, February 10th, through the end of Sunday, February 12th. You can get 35% off all TopStep evaluations. Now, TopStep only has three choices, and honestly, the best choice is this 50K account, in my opinion. Normally $165 per month for the subscription until you pass or cancel, but this time, for this sale, that goes down to 107.25. You can also try to get a 14-day free trial, but by then the sale will be over. So jump on the sale, TopStep, get it while they have it available. For those of you who don't know anything about TopStep, eventually I'll have a review up, probably, hopefully, within the next month or so. We'll see. But TopStep, you get to keep your first $5,000, 100%. After that, it's a 90-10 profit split. They process their payments daily. They have other options, a dedicated funding coach. So they are a quality company. Like I said, they are from where all other prop firms are born from. Michael Patak originated the idea when he founded TopStep, and now you can get in on TopStep for 107.25 if you want that 50K account. Well, of course, the other two are also discounted. Like I said, rare thing to see a discount from TopStep. Take advantage of it while it's here for these 3 days. That's about it for that. If you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed this video, appreciate if you subscribed. If you haven't, hit that thumbs up button. Also follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Facebook. Of course, we live stream every day, 7:30 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern on YouTube. So that's about it. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.